come down the road here just a little bit. There's another structure. I don't know if structure is the right technical term. Bear with me. There's another one that's kind of similar. Here. Okay, so it looks like water is being pumped out from where we just came from, because down where I am are water pipe, water hose I should say. And then over there, I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry, it's bright out here. I'm not sure if I'm zooming in on the right spot. But the water is coming out of that hose. And that's a stream back there going out that way. So rerouting the water while the structures are being built so that we can put a road in here. Very cool.